sorry about the dark screen. It's like 3 a.m. The noises are back. This is the second night in a row. And what quiets it down? Turn it on the camera, of course. So I'm gonna sound like a lunatic here. It's just so random. I'm starting to think that it's electricity in the air, lightning. We had a big storm yesterday, and it made it go all night long. Tonight it's not as bad, but it's still very disruptive. Hard to sleep. And now it's quiet. And it won't stay quiet. I'm not crazy. I have caught them on camera before. Maybe I can get some sleep now.